Look, the reason why you look at yourself in the mirror every time and you're not satisfied is because you're just not doing anything about it. You're not alone. Every time you look in the mirror, you're unsatisfied. You hate how you look. You have to understand that the power's in your hand. And most of you don't realize this. You see the fat. You see the chubby cheeks. You see the beer belly. You see you losing the six packs and you don't do anything about it. And this is the problem. Most of you become unsatisfied with things in life, including your appearance. It destroys your confidence, and then you just decide to allow time to creep in. You allow the bad habits to compound, which just further makes you look worse. And every time you look at yourself in the mirror, you hate it even more, which destroys your confidence even more. And you're in this vicious cycle. You need to break out of it. If you hate how you look, it's because there's something wrong with you that you can probably fix. If you're overweight, go to the gym. If you hate your skin, start a skincare routine. Get a new haircut. Do something about it. And the bigger problem on top of that is that you are inconsistent. See, most of you will watch this video, get a little bit motivation. You're like, damn, I am fat. You go to the gym, go once, maybe a month. If you watch me consistently, you might go once a week. And you think that that's going to be enough. Look. Anything in life that's worth having is difficult. And if you want to look attractive, if you want confidence, you can't just fake this stuff. It just doesn't come to you for free. You have to build it through merit, through hard work, through discipline. So when you want to fix something, whether it be your skin, that you hate how it looks, you want to look good all the time, so you go get a haircut, you go to the gym because you want to lose weight. It has to be in a consistent manner. You can't do it once and then think it's just going to stick with you. You have to do it time and time again. The progress will be slow, but the discipline that you build throughout the process is what's really going to be valuable, because you're going to be able to apply it across every aspect of your life. And then again, every time you see something you don't like, you know, all right, it's going to be a lot of hard work, it's going to take a lot of discipline, but you get to work. And this takes you to number 3. You think you can't fight genetics. You think you can't fight genetics as if genetics are set in stone. Well, yes, some of them are, but you have to understand that if there's something that you don't like, how many times have I told you, for example, a beard? I don't care who you are. I don't care how tall, short, skin tone, color, body shape, face shape. Doesn't matter. As soon as you put a beard on any man, he looks instantly attractive. It looks like you have more testosterone, you look more masculine, you structure your face more, so overall it makes you more attractive. And most of you will sit there and think, well, I can't grow a beard, my dad can't grow a beard, nobody in my family can grow a beard. Yeah, genetically you're screwed, but that doesn't mean you stop right there. I've showed you so many tactics that you can do to implement, but yes, it takes effort. You have to do something about it. And then second, it takes consistency. Most of the time, like when I grew out my beard, I was using minoxidil. And I had to do it for 3 to 6 months. And it was every single day. You can't drop the ball. And the only thing with minoxidil is while it works, it has a lot of side effects because it's not meant for that. And that's why with Heat Grooming, I created my own beard kit. My beard growth kit is intended for that purpose, where it comes with a derma roller, which is scientifically proven to help you grow a beard. And it comes with a beard oil that has 3 active ingredients that are natural, that have no side effects. And these oils have also been scientifically proven to help beard growth. Use both in combination for a period of 3 to 4 months, you're going to start noticing that not only your hair looks thicker, but you're going to start growing and stimulating new hair growth to get that beard you always wanted. But yes, it'll take work. Yes, it takes action. Action that, if you want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. You can check out the beard growth kit, and I'm gonna spice it up for you. You can buy the beard growth kit and then also the beard care kit that comes with everything you need to take care of your beard, make it look good, both in a bundle. I'm going to give you 50% off to make it as affordable as possible. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, you think personality is enough. You're the type of dude that thinks that if you're just confident enough, you don't need to care about your appearance. But this is the reason you don't like how you look. You have to understand that confidence, you can only fake it for so long. Yes, you should fake it till you make it, but you should be working on the outside to reaffirm that confidence. True confidence that's unbreakable, that's unmoving. It's built, again, through merit, through discipline, through hard work, so you know that nobody can break you down. So do you think anyone's going to body shame you when you got a six-pack and you're putting work in the gym? Of course not. So personality is not enough, which also takes me to the 5th thing. You think someone will love you for you. Look, your mom lied to you. I'm sorry to tell you that. Your mom lied to you. No one's just going to love you for you. And more importantly, how you look is important and the reason why you can't get a girl. See, attractiveness acts like a gatekeeper for women. If you're not attractive, it doesn't matter how humble, great kind of a guy you are, because they will never give you that chance. See, when it comes to women, when they see an attractive guy and an ugly guy, the same attributes will be perceived differently differently because of the halo effect. If you're an ugly guy, all your attributes will be perceived through a negative lens, and that's why you feel like you always get rejected, you never get a chance, you always get put in the friend zone. Versus the attractive guy, those same attributes that he has are seen through a positive lens. Because the first thing that both men and women see is the visual. It's your attractiveness, how you take care of yourself. So no, they won't just love you for you. Which ultimately takes me to number 6. You're trying to be somebody you're not. Stop looking at others and comparing yourself. You can only be you. You can only be your height. You can only be your skin color, skin or eye color. You can only be your own hair texture. You'll never change those things about you. And the crazy part is that you don't understand it, that you can be attractive in any realm. You can look at any guy. There's attractive men in every shape and form. Short? All right, you got Tom Cruise. You got Zac Efron. I think Michael B. Jordan's like 5'9", if I'm not wrong. There's attractive guys at every height, at every skin tone color, with different. You want curly hair, you want straight hair. There's always an attractive guy in every single category, which should tell you, don't compare yourself to different random men and think, man, I'm never gonna look like that. No, especially different body types. Yeah, you look like a C-bum. C-bum's built like a Greek god. Not all of us will have the same genetics, the same six-pack, the same pecs. Do not compare yourself to other men because you cannot be other men. You have to understand that you have to be the best possible version of yourself.